How do you rebuild trust if the trust is broken?
How do you
Mm,
reveal it?
Rebuild.
Or
Like
rebuild?
let's say you got caught cheating, right? And once you get caught cheating, most people the trust is gone. How can you rebuild the trust after something that's severe and you want to forgive it?
communication first, because if they did something, maybe they crossed a boundary or they did something that you don't like, unless you communicate clearly and openly with them, they might not even know that they crossed the line. So you got to have that conversation with them, and find out what is it that you did specifically that made them feel the way that they feel, because they might actually just be in their feelings and you just triggered them, but you didn't actually be the culprit